Hi, it's Jackie Kiadii with another quick Excel productivity tip. Today, I'm going to show you an alternative to using absolute references when you're working with functions. So this is something that's usually taught in the intermediate or advanced Excel courses, but it's so simple and easy, I think it really should be taught in the intro course. What I'm doing here is, you know what this problem is. It's because our original formula had an relative reference rather than absolute. So typically you will come in here, go to the original formula, and you would change this to an absolute reference, like so. Now when you copy it down, all of your formulas are okay. Well, I have an alternative, and the alternative is to use named ranges. So I'm going to undo this a couple of times to get back to where we were originally. So what I want to do is I want to name this cell a name, and then when I'm using it in a formula, I call it by its name rather than calling it by its cell address. So we're going to come here and we're going to select the cell and name it commission. The way you name a range is you select the cell or cells, and then you come up here to the name box, you type the new name, and you hit enter. Now, mind you, name ranges, I could spend probably an hour teaching you additional skills when it comes to name ranges, but this is how you use name ranges at the most basic level. So I'm going to click here in the name box, and I'm going to type the new name. I'm going to call it commission, and then hit enter. And now and forevermore, this cell will be known as commission instead of the address F2. Okay? So if I come down here, I go to my name box, I click the drop down list. You see the name shows up there as commission. Click the name, it takes you right back to that cell. So what I'm going to do is rebuild my formula using the name commission rather than this cell address. It pops right up. Double click it to put it in the formula, hit enter. Now when I come here and I copy my formula down, you see that I don't get any errors. So I hope you found this useful. And if you did, I would appreciate you making a comment down below. Let me know how you're going to use it and let me know that you found it useful. If you want to get in contact with me, my information is shown below. By all means, let's connect on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching.